Megan here from Crafts Direct. Today I wanted to show you how to take those sweet spring-summer photos and turn them into a shadow box that you can cherish forever.
After you've disassembled your frame, you can start painting it with the Golden Glow yellow color. You're going to want to do all the sides, so the outside, the inside, and the top, and then let it thoroughly dry. And then you're also going to paint the inside frame that came with it. This is the piece that holds the glass up so that it doesn't become a flat frame and is actually a shadow box. Next, you want to take the backing from the frame, and what we're going to do is take our floral paper for the background and measure it to fit, and then use our paper trimmer to cut it out. I used 1/4 inch score tape on the frame backing, and I just applied that in several spaces, peeled off the backing, and then adhered my paper to it. Then I used score tape on the back of my photograph as well. I put 3 pieces on, peeled the backing off, and then what I did is applied the picture to the left side of the frame, leaving about a 1/2 inch to 1 inch of space on the left side. For a little bit of decoration, I grabbed the pink flag piece from the pack of ephemera. And then what we did is added score tape to the back, and I'm just going to apply it right on top of the photograph, leaving just a little bit of space on the left. Then the little rainbow piece is also from the same pack of ephemera die cuts. Again, score tape, and I applied it right to the little flag piece. I love this little bloom and grow tag, but I wanted it to stand out a little bit more. So I applied some score tape to the back of it, and then I put it onto the pink star paper as a matting. I used my paper trimmer to cut around it, and then I took a scissors and fussy cut it around it just to match the shape of the tag a little bit better. Apply pop dots to the back of the tag. I used about 6 or 7 of them. And then you're going to peel the backing off of those, and then we're going to apply it to our frame backing. So I put it right center on the right side. To give the shadow box a little bit of dimension, I added these 2 cream flowers, one on each side of the bloom and grow tag. Then you can start reassembling your frame, put your backing on, and there you have it, our finished product ready to display.
Thanks for making this project with me today. You can find all the supplies and instructions at www.craftsdirect.com and check under the projects tab.